unknown number. Hello.
You're gonna die.
Your mother got dead.
I'm gonna get you.
Yo, you know what? Stop calling my phone. Stop calling my phone. Are you paying my phone bill? Stop calling my phone. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. We need for shit. We need for shit. Goddamn curry, you know. Oh God. Never again, no more curry. If you don't make me get my 8 hours of sleep, you know, me and you are gonna worry, you know. You want to work for me? You want to go my job? Man, you go chop back in your girl, man, and go on your bed, man. Go look at girl now. Chop. Look at the man. You know how long me take to download that movie, yeah? You know how long me bootleg this? I ain't waste my time. It's either sit down or you get out. Cause me and you are worrying now. Stop ramping me. Sit down or get out. I know you're gonna get none of my popcorn. You know what's for popcorn? You buy any popcorn here? Hey, check one. Jesus Christ, you're bored. You're bored. You're not nothing better to do. Let me get some. Stand right there. Hey, take this. Take this. Start sweep the floor. Start the front desk up and start sweep the floor. I know how on the lights. Jesus Christ. You pay any bill in here? You pay me light bill? You pay me light bill? Don't wait. Come in here, so turn off the light. Hope you guys enjoyed that little skit. Shout out to Scream real quick. If you don't know who's playing Scream, it's Danielle, or maybe it's somebody else, you just don't know. Comment below if you guys enjoyed that, if you want to see more of these skits. Comment below what you guys want to see. Comment if you want to see more challenges, if you want to see more pranks, because you know I can drop the pranks on Danielle like, whoa, because she ain't here, if you know what I mean. So you know, it's notification shout out. The first notification shout out goes to Aaliyah Francis. Big up your damn selves. Your notification going right here like what Scream is showing you right now. Second shout out goes to Shelly Dahani. I hope I said it right. Shout out to you. Your notification going right here. Love you guys, love the support. The last notification shout out goes to Dane Wilson. Big up your damn self. Your notification goes right here like Scream says. If you guys want to be a part of the notification squad, you know what to do. You gotta hit that like button, hit that comment button, hit that subscribe button, comment below, and hit that bell. Sorry, I didn't mention that, but you gotta hit the damn bell because that's the notification, and hit hashtag notification squad, notification gang, any way you want to say it. Just make sure you say notifications. Am I talking too much? Yes, I am talking too much. But hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, man. You know we are out. Scream. Let's take it out. Scream, that's not how you gotta kill, Scream. You gotta kill, you gotta do something, Scream. Hey, check one.